Let's make a business YouTube channel for your company. So while you're in your YouTube account, go to youtube.com/account. Let's go on down to where it says see all my channels or create a new channels and click that. And then click create a new channel. Type in the name of the company and create. Now we want to make sure it's not confusing, because if you get a list of channels, it's nice to have an icon in there. So let's go ahead and customize the channel and click the icon. Click edit for edit channel icon. It's going to open a new window. You want this logo to be square, otherwise it may reject it. Square is better. And click done. Go on back to the YouTube page and refresh the page. And you're ready to upload videos to your business YouTube channel.